Today I will talk about how can you search for events on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you search for events here. So here can you select it or search for it, and here can you use voice, and here can you find your suggestions here in this list. So that's all you have to do to find or search for your events in this list here. I wish you agree. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.